Welcome to the Unit 4 test. The first set of directions say, write the correct answer. Use an exponent to write the each repeated multiplication, then multiply. I think that word each is kind of confusing. Think of it as use an exponent to write the repeated multiplication, then multiply. So you need an equation with an exponent and an answer. The next set of directions, write a decimal to complete the equation. And then we have a set where it just says to multiply. Remember, you can pause this video as often as you would like to work. The next set of the test, again, you're just multiplying. Make sure that you answer each question. Think about what you know about exponents and powers. 15 and 16, multiply, estimate to show your answer is reasonable. So that means you're going to need an estimate and an answer for each question. Multiply, find the answer, and estimate. On the next page, there are 6 more problems. Those same directions apply. So for every problem, you need to multiply, find the answer, and have an estimate. Don't forget about the estimate part, all the way through 22. And then on the back, we do have a few word problems. Number 23, Eve works during the summer as a lifeguard. She earns $16 per hour. How much does Eve earn if she works 28 hours 1 week? So she's working as a lifeguard. She earns $16 per hour. How much does she earn if she works 28 hours in 1 week? Number 24, Mr. Clemente measured 29 7/10 grams of potassium chloride for each of 7 lab groups in his chemistry class. How much potassium chloride did Mr. Clemente measure in all? So he measured 29 7/10 grams of potassium chloride for each of 7 lab groups. How much potassium chloride would that be in all? And lastly, our extended response. When you multiply 24 7/10 by 1/10, is the answer greater than or less than 24 7/10? So off to the side here I wrote the equation. So if we multiply 24 7/10 times 1/10, is my answer going to be greater or less than 24.7? And explain. Good luck. Be sure to check your work when you're finished.